Hello, welcome back to Magnet Mag Mum and Dad. Look at that. So nice. So today there's me, Roger, Glenn, and Magnet Mag Magnetics, and Sean's adventure with the little Sophie. They're just coming across the bridge now. So we'll see what today brings. More than anything, make sure drink plenty.
First throw. Look at the size of that baby. Do 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 do. Baby shark. Do 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 do. Baby shark. Do 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 do.
So he's in one of them. So yeah, and she's on a bike today. Ah, yeah, on your bike! On your bike! On your bike! Smile! Cheese! Wait, bye-bye. Say bye. See you later. Go on.
I found another wibbly wobbly. Or as Nigel says, a fish stew and a cannonball. That's 2 in 2. We got a bike and a little lure and a strawberry watermelon vape. It's coming out.
Say hello, kitty one.
Yeah, you can play on that now, so.
Hello, kitty one.
Hello, fancy seeing you here. I've got a reusable pod vape and a bit of yucky. Oh, Irish fence clip. Come on, lad. Oh. I found some ribba and some ribba.
Washing line property.
Come in. God, that's the biggest loop I've ever seen. Loopy! Craig, you've never felt nothing out of me.
I saw it.
Hey! I found some daddy rebar.
I'll take that on. We don't win it.
Neil was good at garden now, you we put in bushes down. You got your bulb colours though, have you?
Sean, Maybe back to the other end. Loopy! What are you doing, love?
No, I don't want to chin you up.
Looks like a fish, doesn't it? Bloop, bloop. I've got half of a fishing lure. I think the fish was very hungry that got that.
It's only a 20 quid one. Yeah, I had one of those,
Battery.
it wasn't very good. Mine went up. So you see
An
later.
hammer.
Never seen it again.
There.
I've
Your
con-
fishing reel.
contacted the guy on eBay. Says, yeah, the controllers on these reels.
Well, I've just been poaching off Craig and I found that. Hey, and it's all there, chain as well. And it's called a Compass Challenge. Yeah, flat back tyre. And I think the body to a generator. And look at that little baby there, look. A freebie. How about that? And we got this one here and all. Look, she's like the Flash. Hello and welcome back. I've got another little one of them. But fortunately, we buttered one of the boaters up. And guess what? He's a fisherman, so he's just nipped out. We gave him a load of lures, which we're going to drop more on the back of his boat, and he's buggered off for a bit. So now we're just making sure all around his boat is clean. With the help of Craig, I've just pulled this out.
Peekaboo.
I see you.
Oh.
That's nah.
And that no me morning. I've got. Oh no, put it back here. Oh, Glenn, is that your charger, Lee? Go on it. Radiator cap. One of the larger chav cans. And some that I haven't had for a while. But we'll check it out. The old Super Tool 16 footer. Let's have a look. See, Super Tool is super good at not being rusty. No, Super Tool is super crap.
You're robbing kids.
Even a magician could go like that. Look at that. When Lindsay's not looking, I'm on the breasts.
Robin, it's got red on it.
He's having a wee and all. Little Robin Redbreast. Oh bless. He's being kept. He's got to screw up his arse, but let me just. Oh, Mr. Little Robin Redbreast. Oh, he came with 2 pence as well. He must be a magpie. Oh, look at his lovely little cute feet. Oh, look at that. Oh, we need to straighten them toes. Is either that or he's got arthritis. Oh, look at Mr. Robin Redbreast. Look at that, isn't he lovely?
Thing is, I bet you can't get it standing up like that again though.
Arr, arr.
So Robin, not a parrot.
Hang on, look. Go on.
Yeah.
I'll open it on when you're live
Nah.
and see what's in it.
I'll let you open it on your live.
Yeah.
Try that.
You've got.
Oh,
What did Roger find?
rubber ring. Now we'll have to go. So you'll have to take Rogers out in 2 weeks. Yours is out in it. Yeah. So Roger's video is on at 8 o'clock tonight.
I found an exhaust pipe.
Right, next door.
Totally exhaust.
Another BMX. You're going over?
So,
Oh, of course.
first I found that one, which is a DNDEX
Jessica.
rub something. That's got like a big rubber tassel with a tri hook, and then we got this pretty common one with a tri hook, and up there, and I've still got to go and collect it, is a rubber stopper off the wall. It's an end stopper, but I'm not sure I should bring it with me. Maybe I should leave it for CRT to put back on. Yeah, there it is. So yeah.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a
So we've come to the end of another Magnet Mad Mum and Dad, and it has been a scorcher, absolute scorcher. I think Nigel's brought all the sun with him for his birthday. That's what it is.
We're all right, Jessie.
Oh yeah, Jessie's looking a bit like a lobster. We've got Sean on the camera. Oh, way to go, Sean. Yeah. Yeah, Lindsay's just finishing packing up the bits and whatnot. I'd like to say a big special thank you to Sean for coming all this way and coming out with us today. A big shout to Glenn as well at Lazy Lobbers. Check out his video. I think you're a week behind. He's just said he's behind and he don't give a damn. So, yeah, and obviously a big thanks to Jess, Steve, and Craig, Magnet Man Magnetics. Check him out. Oh, there! Oh my God, that reminds me, Linz, we get some milk on the way home.
Why you gotta be like that?
Yeah, Sean's got to get some as well.
That reminds me, have we got any of them milky choc ices left?
Yeah.
But yeah, oh bless him. I said, why have you got your top off? He says, I'm hot stuff. If you think he's hot stuff, leave us a thumbs up, will you? But yeah, if you want to give the habit, yeah, it is a habit, the hobby habit. You want to give it a try. The Hobbit.
The Hobbit.
The Hobbit.
No, wrong group.
The Hobbit.
If you want to give the hobby a try and make it a habit, then start by ignoring retards in the background. No, head over to either Online Magnets or Magnetar and use the code MAG10, get yourself 10% off on every purchase and enjoy yourselves. Go out, have some fun.
Lazy
and a big
25 gets you nothing off anyway.
Lazy 20, that's funny
Yeah,
that. I tried that and
lazy
got
lazy
nothing.
25 and you get fuck all.
Blip! Yeah, and a big shout out as well to Storefield Designs, John Drage. You can find him on Facebook and Instagram as well. And please, don't just visit him, go and take a look at some of the great work he does as well. And a big shout out to Graham Briggs. He's on Facebook for Briggs Schoolwear and Workwear. Check them out, both sponsors of the channel. If you've watched to this part of the video, thank you very, very much for all your great support. If you haven't hit the like button, go hit it now. And if you're not subscribed, it's free, just go and subscribe.
And stop there,
It'll tell
Roger.
you.
I forgot to press record.
What?
I forgot to press record.
Oh yes.
Yes.
You can't get the stuff, can you?
No, it's recording.
Is it recording now? Is this the beginning?
No, it's recording.
Oh, carry on, we've been.
I forgot where I was. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button and know that Sean's Adventures is but we love him. But thanks for watching to this part of the video. You can even share it, you know. But do you want to come and say goodbye to everybody? I am a bit, yeah. And little Sophie wants to say bye as well, don't you? You want to say hi to Mum and Dad as well, and Savannah. Hi. Oi. Oi. Right then, take care. See you next week.
Like your mom and dad stick together like glue in this crazy world. They always stay true. Magnetic attraction, stronger than